Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Baldur's Gate 3 error code 119. The error reads, "Unable to load save." As per our research, the error comes when players try to load their saved games. Many users have shared that they started encountering this error after a recent hotfix, and in many cases, all of their saved files became inaccessible. Some users also mentioned that their game crashed before the saves became corrupted. According to our research, this error can happen because of corrupted save files, unfinished Windows updates, game file issues, or conflicts caused by mods if you are using any. The first thing you should do is finalize any pending Windows updates. Simply check for Windows updates and make sure everything is up to date. After that, restart your computer and check if the error still comes. If finalizing Windows updates doesn't help, then try loading an earlier save file that is not corrupted. Sometimes loading an older save can bypass the error. If loading an earlier save doesn't help, then try repairing the game files. After repairing the game files, restart your computer a few times and check if the error still comes. Some users have shared that after a few restarts, the game started working properly. So give this a try and see if this helps. If you are using mods, then uninstall and reinstall the ImpuI mod from Nexus. After reinstalling, do not update ImpuI inside the in-game mod manager, even if it shows there is an update. Keep it as it is, and then check for the error. If you are using mods and the issue still comes, then check if you are using the Conjure Infinite Gold mod. If you are, then try loading into a new game with this mod inactive. Some users have shared that deactivating this mod helped them fix the error. So try this and see if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.